Hi guys, another really sunny day in Malaysia. I'm giving you a legend. No, not that legend. I think the very grandma of that legend, an E30. Well, this E30 is as factory condition as it can be. It is factory stock with factory aftermarket updates. Okay, those extras are factory made. There is no tuning that came out from the small local shops or was done using epoxy fillers or whatever it is. Right, she's on a bottle top wheels. Let me give you a walk around. Look at this short base. These cars were flying the streets. These cars were flying the curves. They were taking advantage of bigger engine cars, of the longer base cars. They are really fun to drive, I can tell you that. They stick to the road like nobody's business. They are E30s. The value of these cars, they are already collectibles here, and you can take it as your weekend little rocket. You can take it as your everyday driver, everyday commuter. This car is perfect. Well, you can take it as an investment, because the price for this car will only go one way, up. And the price of this car is based on components. You can find something for 15,000 out of Muda and invest another 30,000 just to make it drive straight. Well, in this car, every single thing was looked at. You can see. Look at the paint job. We just start from here. There's no scratches at all. Everything is just perfect. Look at it. Let's go inside, and we start with the major things. The door cards, always here. Look at the interior. There's no cracks, no scratches, nothing. You want to use it as your everyday little fun ride to your workplace and back. I just removed this. We're using them to protect her from the sun. There is a minor scratch on the dashboard due to the sun. It's not a scratch, it's actually a crack. You can just use the filler to make it look like new. So that's the minor work there. And this is, I believe, just one thing that you need to do about this car. Let me show you more. We have a more steering. I actually, the collection of steering wheels for this car is quite tremendous. If you would like the M-Tech wheel, you can just replace it, but I believe this one fits here just perfectly. Look at this. This is the BMW style. They're not making this anymore, and every day there is one or two car becoming less. Let's start it. Sorry. This is quite analog. And it is not your typical E30 form, so you need to walk to the passenger side to pop the hood. She's on the manual transmission. That's what makes this car a real car. That's what makes you in control of it. And look, this is how the hood should open on the BMW when struts are done. There we go. We have ourselves an M40 engine, single cam. Let me show you from the side of a cam cover. Every single part in this car was actually looked into, maintained, and if required changed, such as aircon compressor, the ECU. A whole engine was inspected. A brake booster is a larger size. It's from 325. By the way, this is 318 M40 single cam, so it's not M42. This is a single cam engine. Reliability is tremendous. It will go and go and go. There's no problem with them, with these engines. The mass air sensor is new. The gearbox was adjusted. This is a gear track manual 5, which means no problem. Just the back. Look at her. There is no more look like this in the streets. Do you want to own one? Do you want to have one? Something that would give you emotions. Something that would bring some endorphin back into your life. Well, she looks cute and she doesn't look big, but she flies. She really flies. I tried it through. I tried to go to Gentingon, one of those, and we were kind of having a small friendly competition. It's real deal fun to drive. I can tell you that. And in this particular car, the only thing that I promise you that the only thing that you have to do is this nasty crack in the dashboard. That's all. There's one more thing I want to show you. Sorry, I don't want to show it on the working car. For this journey, we will have to go down a little bit. Wow, the asphalt is really hot in this country. Eh? Can you see this? This fixture and the black bar going up. This is the anti-roll bar. You can find them only on 325s, and you can find them on M series of this car. So this was installed from 325, and this makes this car really stick to the road. Well, this one is going for 37, immaculate condition. I guarantee you are not buying a car, you're buying a car and the emotion. And these emotions are in deficit in the market right now. So well, they're not doing any of them anymore. Get a chance, take it, drive it, and be happy with it. Thanks a lot for watching.